In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Revolve in Fusion 360. Revolve is one of the most powerful tools for creating smooth, rotational shapes like knobs, pulleys, bottles, and shafts. It takes a 2D profile and spins it around an axis to generate a 3D form. If you've ever turned a shape on a lathe, this is the digital equivalent. Start by opening the sketch or model you want to work with. If you already have a clean profile drawn, you're halfway there. The profile should be a closed sketch region for a solid revolve. If it's open or has gaps, Fusion 360 won't be able to generate the solid. It also helps if your profile is drawn on one side of the axis, not crossing it, to avoid self-intersections. Next, go to the Create menu and choose Revolve. You'll see a dialog appear along with the selection prompts. First, select the profile you want to revolve. You can click directly on the shaded sketch region. If you have multiple adjacent regions you want to revolve as one, select them all. You can also pre-select the profile before launching the tool. Fusion will carry that selection into the dialog. Now choose the axis around which the profile will revolve. This can be a sketch line, a center line, a model edge, or a construction axis. Pick something straight and well positioned. The location of this axis controls the radius of the final shape, so a line closer to your profile makes a smaller part and one farther away makes it larger. If you happen to pick an axis that the profile touches or crosses, Fusion may warn you about self-intersections. Adjust the sketch or pick a different axis in that case. Set the angle and operation type. For a full turn, use 360 degrees. For partial features like a cutout or a lip, enter the specific angle you need. You can also flip direction or use a symmetric extent to revolve equally in both directions. For the operation, choose New Body to create a separate solid, Join to merge with existing geometry, Cut to remove material from an existing body, or Intersect to keep only the overlapping volume. The live preview helps you confirm you're getting exactly what you expect. When everything looks right, click OK. Your revolve appears in the timeline so you can edit the profile, axis, angle, or operation later by double-clicking it. If you want cleaner, more predictable results, keep profiles simple, use clear center lines, and rely on dimensions so the revolve stays parametric and easy to update. That's all there is to it. Revolve makes complex shapes fast, accurate, and repeatable.